Hey guys, it's Nikki here at Stillwater's Wreath Designs. I am waiting on my hot glue gun to heat up to work on a project. So I thought I would take a couple of minutes and show you my Hobby Lobby haul from yesterday. You guys, this is so good. So last week, Hobby Lobby had all of their florals for 40% off, all of their fall for 40% off, and all of their Christmas 50% off. So let me show you some of the things I got. This is a 4-pack of ice skate ornaments, some fluffy fur on top, some beads, and glitter. So stinking cute. I got an 18-pack of shatterproof. Guys, always make sure you are getting shatterproof ornaments when you're going to add them into your swags and wreath. So this is a glittery white, glittery lime green, and solid metallic red. You can guess what these are for. I got some present picks that match. They didn't have the option to get picks with 2 green presents and 1 red, so we just grabbed a couple of these. Super stinking cute. I got this. Hopefully my daughter is not watching. It is a thick, fuzzy, almost like a quilt-like material mushroom hot pad. It's going to be for my daughter's stocking. I sure hope she's not watching. I got a 3-pack of the snowman ornaments inside the little half globe. My husband actually picked these out, but they're going in a wreath. I got the coveted jewels, guys. I actually was hoping to get the rectangle, but they only had green in the rectangle shape, so I got a red and clear. These are going to go into a swag. I think a hot cocoa themed swag. These gems, guys, their regular price is $10.99, but of course they were half off for the Christmas sale. I got a 3-pack of the candy themed glittered snowflakes. Those are about probably 6 inches in diameter. There is a teal colored, a pink, and then like a fuchsia. Lots of super cute sprinkles. And then to go with that, I grabbed a roll of their 10-inch Polypro mesh. How cute is that going to be, guys? And then I'm going to pair that with this ribbon and some other colors that I actually got from Hobby Lobby last year. But how cute is that? I got a couple of elf feet picks, one with the red booties and one with the green. They've got some jingle bells, super stinking cute. And then I also got a roll for a wreath that we're going to be doing tomorrow, a metallic fall deco mesh. It's got like a burlap base and then orange and brown throughout. Super cute. Okay. I also grabbed 2. If you've been on this channel for any length of time, you know that this greenery vine is my go-to greenery for my wreaths. Because if you take a look at these vines here, when I'm trimming greenery to add into most of my wreaths, I just trim off each individual. I call it a finger. So it's about the finger's length. And I trim them off individually, and then I add those. Everywhere there's a set of ties on my deco mesh wreaths, and there's nearly always 18 ties. So one of these bushes lasts me, gosh, every bit of a month outside of the Christmas season. So I did grab 2 because we're approaching busy season, but this is always my go-to greenery for my deco mesh wreaths. These are regularly priced $16.99. They were 40% off. All right, guys, and then I saved the best for last. I am so stinking excited. I tried to get this last year. Our local Hobby Lobbies sold out in a flash, but this year I got one. So this is the 3-foot LED Grinch whimsical tree. So this comes in a variety of different sizes. This is the smaller one at 3 feet, regularly $89.98, but it too was part of the half off sale. They only had a few left. I'm so glad I snagged one. So we're going to decorate this together. probably at the end of October. And I'm actually going to use this tree as a raffle to make some money for our local animal shelter. So excited to snag. You guys definitely, if you're wanting a Grinch tree of any size, I know it's really early. It's still early September, but get them now because they will sell out super quick. So that's it for my haul this week at Hobby Lobby. I hope you enjoyed the quick walkthrough, and we will be starting our Christmas designs in the next week. Bye, guys.